We who are gathered here today, this morning, to observe and commemorate those comrades who went out to battle to defend and obtain peace of humankind, that we must keep this dawn vigil in togetherness, in remembrance and gratitude. We feel for them as they are near to us in spirit at this time of the morning, and we wish to be worthy of this sacrifice. Let us therefore once again dedicate ourselves to the service that they have surrendered their lives at the dawn, as the dawn at this hour of the morning is about to pierce the night. So let the memories, as we are to inspire them as this new morning shines, the new day that bring all the darkest places in the world. They shall not grow old as we are left grown old. Age shall not weary them, nor the year condemn. At its going down of the sun, as it rises in the morning, we will remember them.